Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garden fence, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Garden Fence, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garden fences from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Blingluck Garden Fence Outdoor Decor for Yard Patio. Transform your outdoor space with the Blingluck Garden Fence Outdoor Decor for Yard Patio. This upgraded garden fencing features a classic arch shape standing 22 inches tall with a length of 12.6 inches per piece, allowing for a total length of about 11 feet with 10 pieces. Installation is a breeze thanks to 11 included metal stakes. Just tap them in without damaging the fence. Crafted from thick, rust-resistant metal wire, this durable fencing withstands outdoor elements while adding a touch of modern simplicity to your garden. Use it as a decorative border, an animal barrier, or even an indoor pet fence. The versatile design makes it perfect for various applications, from garden borders to dog and rabbit fences. With exceptional customer service and quality assurance, Blingluck ensures your satisfaction. Elevate your garden aesthetics and functionality with this stylish fencing solution today. Number 2. Zippity Newport Outdoor Fence for Backyard or Patio. Enhance your outdoor space with the Zippity Newport Outdoor Fence, the perfect solution for your backyard or patio. This versatile garden fence not only beautifies your landscape but also serves as an effective animal barrier, keeping unwanted guests away from your lawn and flower beds. Designed as a no-dig, permanent dog fence, it creates a safe playpen for your furry friends, giving you peace of mind as they roam freely. The high-quality PVC construction ensures durability, making it an ideal choice for protecting children in outdoor play areas. Each panel measures 36 inches high by 72 inches wide, and the customizable size allows you to expand your project easily. Installation is a breeze. Simply use a sledgehammer to set the no-dig pipe anchor in about 60 minutes. Backed by a 10-year warranty, the Zippity Newport fence is your dependable partner for safety and style in your garden. Number 3. Thealyn Metal Decorative Garden Fence for Yard Patio. Transform your outdoor space with Thealyn Metal Decorative Garden Fence. This stylish wrought iron fence measures 22-inch wide by 18-inch high per panel, with a total of 5 panels stretching over 9.17 feet, making it perfect for creating elegant borders around plants, walkways, or patios. Crafted from high-quality metal with a durable powder-coated finish, it's designed to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring years of outdoor use. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert the panels into the soil and interlock them using the convenient rings on the sides, allowing you to create any shape you desire. Not only does this fence add modern elegance to your garden or patio, but it also serves as a functional barrier for pets or landscaping. Backed by our commitment to customer satisfaction, we're here to ensure you're delighted with your purchase. Elevate your yard with Thealyn Garden Fence today. Number 4. Getlay Tall Garden Fence with Gate for Outdoor Yard. Transform your outdoor space with the Getlay Tall Garden Fence with Gate. This premium decorative fence stands 40 inches high and 27 inches wide, featuring 7 panels and a gate for a total length of 18 feet. Crafted from rust-resistant metal wire with a 0.2-inch diameter, it ensures durability and stability while keeping unwanted animals at bay with 1.6-inch spike spacing. The bolted door allows easy access to your garden, making it perfect for tending to your plants. Installation is a breeze. Simply align the holes, insert the poles, and secure the gate. This versatile fencing can be shaped into squares, rectangles, or circles, making it suitable for gardens, lawns, and vegetable borders. It also doubles as a playpen for your pets. With responsive customer service and a commitment to quality, Getlay ensures your satisfaction. Elevate your outdoor aesthetic and protect your plants today. Number 5. Richmen 10 Panels Garden Fence for Outdoor Dog Fence. Introducing the Richmen 10 Panels Garden Fence, the ultimate solution for securing your outdoor space. This durable dog fence is crafted from high-quality wire with an anti-rust coating, ensuring it withstands harsh weather while maintaining its integrity. Whether it's sun or rain, this garden fence is built to last. Installation is a breeze with the no-dig design featuring metal stakes for easy insertion into the soil, providing enhanced stability and rigidity. This versatile fence is perfect for a variety of uses, including protecting your plants, trees, and flower beds or preventing pets from escaping. It also serves as an attractive decorative border for driveways and walkways. Each panel is detachable, allowing for easy customization to fit your yard's shape. Plus, our customer service team is dedicated to your satisfaction. Reach out with any questions, and we'll respond within 24 hours. Secure your garden stylishly and effectively today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.